How does Instacart work? Instacart is a grocery delivery service that connects customers with personal shoppers who fulfill orders from local stores. Users create an account, enter their zip code, and browse available retailers. The platform allows customers to add items to their cart, select replacements for out-of-stock products, and schedule delivery times. Orders are placed through the app or website, and shoppers pick up the groceries before delivering them to the specified address. Instacart offers same-day delivery in many locations, making it a convenient option for busy individuals. Pricing varies based on store partnerships, delivery fees, and optional membership plans. Instacart Plus provides unlimited free deliveries for a monthly or annual fee. Some users report higher prices compared to in-store shopping, while others appreciate the convenience. A surprising fact is that Instacart allows customers to communicate directly with their shopper, enabling real-time updates and adjustments. Understanding the service's pricing structure, availability, and features helps users maximize its benefits while avoiding potential drawbacks.